Well, hello there people, welcome back, check it out. It's the door panel on my, you wanna guess? Yeah, it's my w210 E50 AMG. I got the Silver Wolf, and the reason for me removing the door panel is that I needed to sort out a creaking sound or finding out where this creaking sound is coming from. So I wanted to take you along for the little ride and show you my findings and hopefully show you how I fixed it. Unfortunately, I did not get a recording of the sound, but it is basically a creaking sound coming from this area when sitting inside the car and having the window basically down here. It didn't appear when the window was up and under load in a way. It only was apparent when you rolled down the window a bit and you could hear like plasticky creaking sound coming from here. So needed to take the door panel off, and how you do that is pretty easy. So let me show you real quick. Here you have the door panel. Obviously it's the same on right and left side. It is held down by 4 Phillips head screws and a lot of clips around there and some clips on top. Unscrew this screw here, remove this cover, and there's a Phillips head screw behind there. Remove this cover and there's another Phillips head screw behind there. And how you remove this is pretty easy. You use a wedge on top here and pull it out, and there's another cover here and there's a Phillips head screw behind there, and then you use your wedge between the door frame and the panel and you pull out the door panel. And on top here, the door panel needs to come off upwards, so you use your wedge, you roll down the window and you pull up the door panel because of it being seated down in these clips on top. And the clips that I'm talking about are these. And then you have to take off this wire and some connectors and stuff. You also need to remove this moisture trap. And what I could see pretty much instantly was that all the sliders here and all the mechanism of the window was super dry. There was no lubrication left. So I do think, let me underline think, because I haven't really tried it yet, other than I can't hear any creaking sounds now. So I would need to verify when the door panel goes back on, but at least I got to do some preventative maintenance or maintenance on the regulator here. I lubricated all the sliding parts, this one here, and the rail that goes up here. This mechanical part here with all these teeth is also lubricated. It was totally dry, so this might as well been the cause for this creaking sound, because the door panel, when it's under load and not under load by the electric window, all moves in a way. So it's not wonder that it can make creaking sounds when you pull the window up and down in a way. So the next thing that I needed to correct was something that you might have seen on other cars that is getting older, and you remove a door panel and every clip breaks. And in this case, it was not the clips that broke, it was all these brackets that holds the clips that broke off. You should definitely glue these back on as soon as you see one coming loose, or else you would end up with a flapping door panel on your car, and you don't want that. So I used 2-component glue. They're quite easy to get back on because they all have been glued on in the first place, so it almost is like a mold. You just put it back on with new glue and it's all good. I also added new felt material around the door panel, which is there to prevent creaking sounds. Also added a new clip that was broke, so now the door panel will stay on the door frame as it is supposed to. So that is all I wanted to show you people. Have a great day, and see you guys later. Bye. See ya. People, this is the last little bit that I had to do here with this video. I just had to inform you that the creaking sound is gone. So it's a fix, people. See you guys later. Bye.